Hello everyone! As promised, I will show you our home updates. We started reupholstering our antique chairs, and choosing the colors is always exciting for me. In our home office, we created a cozy sitting corner, added a guest bed, and acquired a new mirror to the corridor. I'll try to cover these topics in today's video. Let's get started. The first and major update occurred with 1880s Wiener Salon Armchairs. Adorned with mother-of-pearl inlays, wood carvings quite challenging to clean, and brass details, they go for quite good eye-catcher. Originally equipped with front leg wheels for mobility and proper sitting height, the wheels through all those years are gone, and the rear legs have been shortened. Through once semi-professionally upholstered, they are now an eyesore. We obtained all this museum from Christian's parents a decade ago. After much debate, we decided to keep and refurbish only two, due to the high costs, considering probably selling the rest if family members aren't interested. Later I'll share more about getting something more comfortable. Fast forward. A year ago, I found a video online showcasing a skilled professional who seemed to really know his stuff. After contacting him, 8 months later, we could finally enjoy his impeccable work. While blue is my favorite color, however, it took some getting used to it, because it's quite bold. But yay! The chairs are now both aesthetically pleasing and functional. I'll share their address in the description. Their business is near Strasbourg, France. If you're currently in search of a skilled reupholster and it's not too far for you, I highly recommend them. As promised, another significant update occurred in our home office. The south-facing windows provide ample natural light, and I adore the view of the cozy street. Christian has his piano here, and I have my computer. We want this room to be a comfortable space for either of us to work or just stay together in the same room. And we got plenty of furniture, just that they happen to be at the shocking end of practical spectrum. Despite Christian's sentimental attachment to his great-grandmother's chairs, we decided it was time to move on. After sitting on tens of chairs, we settled on the lounge duo from German designer Wolfgang Joop, opting for a combination of two sizes in a calming neutral color. And the best part is the movable seat, a feature I love. Adding a carpet from IKEA, I am happy as a bunny with how the room turned out, making it a favorite place to relax after chores. Now we can spend more time together when we are both at home. Mission accomplished. How do you balance classic design elements with modern trends in your home? Share it in the comments. One more thing what we managed to smush into this room. Now that my mom is staying more frequent with us, we needed a guest bed, and sleeping on sofa didn't work on the long term. With limited space in our office, I was against a permanently visible bed or another sofa. The solution? A horizontal Murphy bed, something we could stow away when not in use without sacrificing room space.
Take a train ride just to see you, ride for hours just to please you. You don't know how much I need you, 'cause you're my.
We also repurposed a section from our wardrobe upgrade earlier this year, hiding it behind the door. Now we can comfortably host one person without compromising our lifestyle. The new horizontal surface also opens up exciting storage possibilities but we are still working on that. Well, not really. And currently we are in the midst of another ongoing upgrade. After seeing the transformation of our now blue chairs through reupholstering, we decided to renew 2 more. Admittedly, it's a pricey endeavor, and choosing the right fabric is not an easy task. A decision that essentially lasts a lifetime, and we are contemplating what focal object to coordinate the color with. Perhaps the sofa? Will we have it forever? It's well known that choosing colors for cohesive design involves considering color theory concepts like complementary, split complementary, or triad colors, as well as the harmony of tones, shades, and tints. It can be overwhelming. Personally, I simplify the process by using color matching applications on my phone and saving screenshots of harmonious combinations. When I stumbled upon a cushion cover in Madeira, I knew it was the perfect fit for our chairs. This method works well with clothing too. Returning to the future furniture color, this time we aimed for a more subdued palette. The owner of the reupholstering shop wisely suggested narrowing our choices down to just 5. Here is a tip. When making such decisions, and in general, limit the possibilities to 5 or fewer to avoid decision paralysis. Our chosen fabric is intriguing, as it can appear both very light or very dark depending on the angle. Despite its excellent quality and resistance testing, it's always good to consult with our home wear and tear expert. All good, Katze, thanks! Can you guess which color emerged as a winner? Our latest update is the replacement of the mirror in the corridor. The old one was still okay, but one of the shutters wouldn't stay open no matter what, which had been irritating me for years. And we don't want to be annoyed by our home, right? Plus, I aimed for a less busy design, considering the blue chair, dresser knobs, and coats on the coat rack already add plenty of character to this space. I was eager to get a larger mirror to open up the space and bring more light into the corridor. I can't deny, I was tempted to go for one of those trendy, irregular-shaped mirrors. Then I thought about trends changing in a couple of years, and the classic circular shape looks timeless, so that's what I opted for in the end. I decided to try an internet hack for getting the distance between the holes right, and it worked perfectly. I measured the distance from the ceiling before hanging the mirror, since the hanging part is installed in the higher third of the mirror, while there's a general rule stating that the middle of the mirror should be at eye height or around 150 centimeters above the floor. Personal comfort matters. For me, the ideal height is where I can see my entire face with the top of my head and a bit above, essentially ensuring that if I had a crown, it would be visible in the mirror. Streamlined 80 centimeters round mirror with a brass rim from good old IKEA. These were the changes we made at home while I was away from YouTube. Which home upgrade resonates most with your personal style? And why? Share your thoughts in the comments. So that's all from me for today, and if you like this video, give me the thumbs up and also consider subscribing, because why not? Thanks for watching, greetings from Luxembourg, see you in the next one. Eddie!